Before you begin, make sure you have read and understand the operator's manual, installation instructions, and all other safety instructions before setting up and using this equipment. Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, injury, or death. Any alterations to this equipment will void the warranty and may cause a dangerous condition. Installation of the PopClean Elite Popper Series poppers should be performed by qualified service personnel, and the fire suppression system, if equipped, must be charged and activated by an ANSOL certified representative. Read and understand the instruction manual and all other safety instructions for the unit before using this equipment. Turn on the main power switch. On the home screen, press Cook. Next, select your recipe by selecting butterfly popcorn, salt flavoring, and your popcorn load size, and press OK. Your kettle will then begin preheating. Once the kettle is preheated, the screen will say, Add corn and Flavacol. At this point, load your corn and Flavacol, close the lid, and press the OK button. After pressing OK, you will be asked to dispense oil. Press OK to dispense oil and start the cooking process. Your popcorn will start popping and the screen will alert you when it is time to dump the kettle. When it says Dump Kettle, press OK to continue. After you dump the kettle, take your popcorn scoop and gently move the popcorn around to separate out any unpopped kernels. The screen will now ask you if you need to repeat recipe. Select OK to cook another batch. If done, select Cancel. Now you are ready to scoop and serve delicious popcorn.